Lori and Alex are at KFC for lunch. Alex gets the wrong meal. What does Alex say to fix it? Follow Lori and Alex to KFC to find out.
Okay, we're here. Have you been to KFC before?
No, never. Haha, I always thought KFC was just for kids.
Ha! I think you will be surprised. Let's look at the menu.
There are so many things. I don't know where to start.
Do you want original, crispy, or spicy chicken?
Spicy, please. I like spicy food.
Good choice. Now, do you want a meal or a combo?
What's the difference between a meal and a combo?
A meal is just the chicken. A combo comes with a side and a drink.
What's a side?
A side is a small dish, like fries, coleslaw, or mashed potato.
A combo sounds much better then.
Yes, you get more food for a good price.
Now they're ready to order. Listen carefully.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a spicy combo, please.
What size?
Medium, please.
What side would you like? Fries, coleslaw, or mashed potato?
Fries, please.
And your drink?
A Coke, please.
Great! One medium spicy combo with fries and Coke.
Yes, that's right. Thank you.
And for you?
I'd like a large crispy combo, please.
What side would you like?
Can I get coleslaw instead of fries?
Of course.
And can I get a Pepsi with no ice?
Sure, no problem.
Oh, and can I get extra napkins, please?
Yes, I'll put some in the bag. Anything else?
No, that's all, thank you.
Remember, I'd like a spicy combo, please. Use I'd like when you order food.
Your total is $20.
Let me get this.
No, let's split it.
It's okay. You helped me a lot today. Let me treat you.
Are you sure?
Yes, really, it's just lunch.
Okay, thank you, Alex.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. Your order number is 47. We'll call your number when it's ready.
Perfect, thank you. Remember, let me treat you. Alex's food is ready, but something is wrong. Listen to how he fixes it.
Number 47. Your order is ready.
That's us. Let's go.
Wait, this is original chicken. I ordered spicy.
Really? Go back and tell them.
Excuse me, there's a mistake with my order.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. What's wrong?
I ordered spicy chicken, but this is original.
Do you have your receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Let me check. You're right. I'm very sorry about that.
That's okay. Can I get the spicy chicken, please?
Yes, of course. It will be ready in 2 minutes.
Thank you.
Here you go. Sorry again for the mistake.
No problem, thank you. Remember, there's a mistake with my order. They finally have their food. Listen to what Alex thinks of KFC.
Here he is. Did you get the right chicken?
Yes, finally, it's spicy. I'm very happy now.
Good. How is it?
It's really good. The chicken is crispy and spicy at the same time.
Mine is great too. I love the crispy combo.
The fries are good too. I'm glad we came here.
So, do you still think KFC is just for kids?
Ha! No, I was wrong. This is really good. I was wrong about KFC.
I told you!
That's the end of today's video. Alex and Lori had a great meal at KFC in the end. Now you know how to order at KFC too. So, what does Alex say when he gets the wrong meal? Write your answer in the comments. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more slow and easy English. Thank you for watching. See you next time.